Dear friends, first a little piece of information for all. The name of my YouTube channel is changed from Uprooting Unhappiness Today to Happiness Secrets. Those new viewers who like my videos and find them useful, please subscribe to my channel to get regular updates directly. Today's video is on the secret of being happy. Let us start with the question, who is a happy person? In my view, a happy person is one who lives in harmony within oneself and with others. This means he or she is not battling with issues like chronic anxiety, fears, frustration, loneliness, boredom, anger or violence within oneself or with others. A happy person is one who has more than enough energy to take care of all needs, fulfill all responsibilities, and also finds time for relaxation, entertainment, hobby fulfillment, and other creative form of activities. A happy person has the ability and confidence to spontaneously respond to all challenges efficiently, sanely, and intelligently. The lifestyle of all happy persons is simple and healthy. They do nothing to harm the sense of physical, mental, and emotional well-being in themselves or in others. All happy persons are keen students of observing human nature in action very keenly. They clearly understand that behavior and actions of almost every person are controlled primarily by self-interest and self-concerns. They have developed the wisdom of attentively observing in non-judgmental way their own selfish actions and that of others without criticism or resentment. This wise approach makes them caring and sensitive towards themselves and others. They never try to change others by force or emotional pressure, creating stress and conflict in relationships. One factor is common to all happy persons, their aura. Their total being oozes vibes of happiness. Now, the secret of being happy. Please pay your total attention to what I am going to share with you now. The secret of being happy is to have no demand or desire to be happy in future. Let us understand this in a little bit more detail. Who demands to be happy tomorrow? Who desires to be happy tomorrow? Obviously, a person who is unhappy today. Let us be very clear about this fact that hoping, expecting, demanding, or desiring happiness by constantly thinking is counterproductive. Happiness is not something that you can have in your life by making plans inside your head to be happy in future. Happiness, my dear friends, is a byproduct of living fully, richly, attentively, today and every day in the present moment. When you are taking care of all your needs and responsibilities promptly, enthusiastically, then your whole being is smiling with happiness. So, instead of thinking about being happy in future, start investing your energy and time in doing with full interest all those actions that are needed to be done today. The byproduct of such action-filled life is happiness. Dear friends, for all those who value happiness in their lives, this secret of being happy is simple to understand and easy to live in actual life. You can find out the truth of what I am saying by committing yourself to live in accordance with this secret starting from today. Please share your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video to the end.